Hi, this is Peter from Joomla, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial video about the exciting new T3 version 3 framework. In this tutorial, we will have three parts. First, we're going to build up a Megamenu. Second, we're going to learn how to style and add icons for Megamenu. And third, we're going to do off-campus and sticky menu. So let's get started. So, first go into the back end of your site. Navigate to Extensions, then Template Manager, then select JA Template. In this tutorial, we're going to use our JA Argo template, which is great, a responsive template that just came out in March of 2013. Okay, you guys all set? Now we're going to go into the navigation in the back end. Go down to Navigation Type, select Megamenu, and then we're going to go configure this. Okay, so please scroll down, and you'll see your Megamenu toolbox. First, go to Megamenu Configuration. We're going to work on the main menu. Then, we're going to configure the Megamenu submenus. So, add submenus, yes. Go to Categories. We're going to make it about 950 pixels. Okay. Now we have a bunch of information here. Let's add a couple of columns to spread it out. So add or remove a column by simply plus or minus under Add Remove Column. Then select the content for the column by assigning any module. We can use existing modules or we can use new modules. Okay. Now let's add a video. We can do video of the day over in the third column. That looks pretty good. Remember, you can change the width of each column. Width goes from 1 through 12 on the settings. We're going to use number 4 here. And then on video of the day, we're going to use number 5, make it a bit wider so it fits everything in the screen okay. Great. Now remember, you can align your Megamenu to the left, the right, the center, or justify. We're going to use the left in this example. Okay. It's looking good. So let's go to the top of the page and click Save. Okay, we're all saved. It says Style successfully saved. Everything worked okay. Let's preview this. We're going to do this by going to the front end, by clicking View Site. Okay, as you can see, this is our site. We're going to go to Categories, and we're going to check out our new Megamenu. Okay, the second part of this, we're going to move menu items and divide columns. So we're going to go to the submenu width, make that about 600 pixels, and then go down to K2. So here we have 9 separate items, but we're going to put it in 3 separate columns so it gives a nice symmetry and it really looks good. We're going to add a new row under the columns. Click that. Okay. Now for this module, we're going to select our ads and articles list. Okay, that will fit perfect. Now remember, you can hide it when collapsed for viewers using phones, tablets, or anything with a small screen. Now let's go back up to the top and save again and see what we have in the front end. Reload the page. Make sure any changes have taken effect. Okay, now go to K2 and you'll see our 9 items are now in 3 columns with our ad below, which will not show up on a small screen. This is a responsive template. Okay, the second part of this, we'll add some styling and icon to make the menu look better. You can add extra class. The style is already included in the file. So go to extra class, add nav categories, okay? And we're going to use the icon list already included, or you can style it by yourself. T3 supports Bootstrap, so you can use any icon class that you'd like to use in this framework. To view the icon class list, let's go to the home page of Bootstrap. Then we're going to go to the Base CSS menu and Icons by Glyphcons. Now, copy the icon class that you want to add to the icon field of T3. Return to the back end. Okay, we're going to use the icon reorder. Everyone going okay with that? Great. Now, for our K2, we're going to use our icon bookmark. That looks good. Reload the site again. Go up, check your menus, see how they look. Everything loaded okay, everything's working great. Now, T3 supports off-canvas menu and collapse menu for small screens like iPad and iPhone. You can click to enable or disable this. So now your site appears to be normal, but as you can see, when you use the menu by moving to the left, the site goes off canvas to the right, allowing you the space to use the menu. Once you make your selection and you're done with the menu will move back to the left and the site will be back in the center. As you can see, our main menu is not following us. It's not sticky. Let's change that. Open your root folder, go to templates. Okay, once you're in templates, click the template you're using, in this case Argo, then TPL, and finally blocks. So look for a header.php. Once you open the header, we're going to insert T3 main nav, is already there, and then we're going to add the nav bar fixed top to the class. This is how we make the main menu sticky. Okay, make sure it's spelled correctly, save, and let's check our template again. Now you can see the main menu is sticky. It follows us down the page. Well, the site looks great. Next, we're going to work on making responsive tablets sticky. Small screens such as iPhones or tablets can also use this interesting feature. To do this, we're going to be in that same PHP file, header.php. We're going to add another class. We're going to add navbar collapse fix top. Make sure you check your spelling. Okay, now save. Please go back to the front end of your site. Okay, that looks great. Well, you guys are all set. In the next version of T3, we have an exciting new feature. We're going to add captions in the Megamenu. This is not currently available, but will be soon. Okay, so go into the back end, go to the Megamenu configuration, click on categories. As you can see, to the right of icon field, there's now an item caption field where you can insert any caption that you would like. Okay, see that? Great. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial and hopefully we see you again soon. Remember to check out the new T3 version 3 framework from Joomla Art. Open source, freely available for everyone. Thank you again and look forward to seeing you soon.